This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, and I'm down here at the Jackson, Georgia store. And today we're going to do something a little different. I'm just going to take you on a little ride along, just a short test drive, to compare the differences between the shift patterns of the Allison 4500 series transmission, the Paccar TX-18, and the Paccar TX-12, which are both automated transmissions. We're going to start out with this 2025 567 with the 4500 series Allison in it. And let's go for a ride. Quick, smooth shifts in between gears. Smooth downshift as well. So I'm back here in our yard and just wanted to show you the difference between going from forward to reverse and how easy it engages gear and you can move forward. So we just put it into drive, release the brake, and it rolls forward nice and easy. Back in neutral, go to reverse. Makes it easy for backing into your spreaders or tailgating gravel or whatever you want to do with it.